Let's get right into this. Number 10. The upside-down waterfall in Hawaii. In Hawaii, there's a waterfall that falls up. Wind slams against Oahu's cliffs so violently, it catches water mid-drop and flings it skyward like the island's trying to undo gravity. Locals sip coffee. Tourists scream, "Glitch in the Matrix." Meteorologists just mumble about pressure differentials while secretly filming for TikTok. It's one of those places where nature looks bored of its own rules and decides to freestyle. Stand there long enough and you start relating. Every time you think life's finally flowing, some invisible force blasts you backward. That's this waterfall. Earth reminding you that even gravity sometimes rage quits and hits reverse. Progress, optional. Drama, mandatory. Number 9. The cave that emits pure oxygen. Deep under Romania lies Movil Cave, a pocket of prehistoric air completely cut off from our atmosphere. It reeks of rotten eggs, yet holds its own homemade oxygen. Microbes down there chew toxic gases and burp breathable air like tiny eco-terrorists. No sunlight, no plants, no outside contact for 5 million years, and still life flourishes. Blind, pale, slightly offended at evolution, scientists enter in hazmat suits. The microbes just shrug, inventing oxygen as a side hustle. It's proof that isolation doesn't equal extinction. You don't need a forest to breathe. Sometimes you just need audacity and chemical chaos. Movil is less a cave, more a rebellious lung that refuses to die quietly underground. Number 8. The mountain that glows blue without fire. Mount Ian in Indonesia glows electric blue at night, like someone installed LEDs inside hell. It's not magic. It's sulfur gas igniting when it hits oxygen, burning so hot it becomes liquid light. Miners climb through acid fog to collect yellow sulfur chunks, while the ground literally bleeds neon. Tourists snap selfies wearing dollar store masks, pretending they aren't inhaling apocalypse. From afar, it's breathtaking. Up close, it's chemistry screaming, "Stay back." The flames crawl down the crater like blue ghosts, dragging chains. No bonfire, no gasoline, just Earth flexing its voltage. It's a reminder that beauty sometimes arrives wearing a gas mask and smelling like broken science. Number 7. The island where gravity pulls sideways. In Ladakh, India, there's a road where cars roll uphill even when engines are off. People call it haunted. Scientists sigh and call it perspective. The slope actually goes downhill, but the surrounding mountains warp your horizon, tricking your brain into betrayal. Stand there watching a vehicle glide up, and you realize perception is basically a drunk GPS. It's the same in life. You swear you're grinding uphill, but maybe you're just sliding in style. Gravity isn't broken. Your eyes are freelancing. The hill doesn't defy physics. It exposes how easily we mistake illusion for effort. Reality didn't glitch. You did. Congratulations, you've been scammed by terrain. Number 6. The forest where compasses fail permanently. Hoya Forest in Romania looks normal until you step inside and your compass spins like a washing machine. Phones lose signal, drones crash, and even birds bail mid-flight. Some say UFOs. Others blame magnetized minerals beneath the soil. Whatever it is, the forest has commitment issues with direction. Trees twist into weird loops as if grown by someone sculpting confusion. Walk long enough and time itself feels laggy, like the world's buffering. It's not haunted, it's just over it. Maybe the forest's sick of constant tracking and decided to gaslight humanity back. If nature had a do not disturb mode, this is it. A green blackout that makes compasses cry. Number 5. The beach where sand sings perfectly in tune. At Egg Beach in Scotland, the sand literally hums when you walk. Each grain vibrates in perfect rhythm, turning your footsteps into low musical notes. Ancient islanders thought the beach was possessed. Geologists mutter about frictional resonance, which is just science's way of saying we don't know, but it slaps. The sound rises and fades like the planet sighing through its teeth. Every step becomes percussion, every gust of wind a backup singer. It's oddly comforting, proof that even dirt can harmonize when aligned. Somewhere between myth and physics, the Earth dropped its mixtape, and it's playing exclusively under your feet. Number 4. The lake that freezes in fractal shapes like code. Every winter, Siberia's Lake Baikal turns into nature's motherboard. Methane bubbles freeze mid-rise, trapped in crystal stacks like binary code. Cracks form geometric veins across ice so clear it looks photoshopped. Step on it, and you see electric blue patterns glowing beneath. Proof that reality sometimes renders in 4K. Scientists say pressure and gas. Conspiracy theorists say simulation update. Either way, it's gorgeous and slightly unnerving. Skaters glide across it like pixels on glass, moving through the planet's frozen screenshot. Lake Baikal isn't just ice. It's a code fragment written in temperature, proving Earth programs better than we do. Number 3. The Cave of Eternal Echoes. Vietnam's Sundung Cave is so huge it makes sound feel haunted. Whisper once and it returns seconds later, older and weirder. Your voice doesn't bounce. It migrates. Air density and cavern size stretch echoes until they feel alive, looping like an ancient reply system. Clouds form inside, waterfalls vanish into darkness, and time drips slower. Talking there feels like confessing to the planet itself. In a world that never shuts up, Sondung listens, then answers when you've forgotten the question. Every sound comes back slightly changed, like proof that silence edits us before returning the truth. Number 2. The valley that creates floating light. Orbs nightly. In Norway's Hestelin Valley, glowing orbs appear nightly, hovering, drifting, multiplying like lazy UFOs on a coffee break. They shine white, yellow, even blue, sliding through the air without sound or shame. Scientists blame plasma reacting to minerals. Locals just call them the lights and get on with dinner. Cameras glitch, instruments die, and the orbs keep vibing like celestial influencers who refuse interviews. Maybe it's energy trapped between layers of reality, or maybe it's Earth showing off her screensaver mode. Either way, it's proof the universe occasionally forgets to close its open tabs. Physics shrugs. Mystery smiles. Number 1. The river that flows backward twice a day. The St. John River in Canada performs a twice-daily plot twist. As Bay of Fundy tides rise, ocean water surges so hard upstream that the river reverses course entirely. Boats spin. Fish panic. Locals yawn. It's Tuesday. The current becomes a tug-of-war between gravity and lunar attitude. Stand on the bank and watch nature moonwalk in liquid form. It's not breaking physics, it's improvising choreography. The reversal lasts minutes, then flips again like nothing happened. Sometimes progress literally means going backward on purpose. The river isn't confused, it's just rehearsing the art of returning.